Hello guys, this is Rekha from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineer, Computer Science and Engineering. And today I am discussing about the topic of establishing the minimum national, environmental and standardized from the industrial wastewater management. First, let's see about the introduction to environmental standards. The importance of the establishing minimum national environmental standards from industrial wastewater management can't be overstated. These standards are essential from protecting public health and the environmental. These presentations will explore the needs of these regulations and their potential impact on industrial and the ecosystems. This about introduction to environmental standards. Next, let's see about the current state of industrial wastewater. Many industries generate large volumes of the wastewater, often connecting the hazardous pollinates. Currently, the lack of the uniform standards leads to varied the practices in the wastewater management, resulting in environmental degradations. And understanding the current state is a crucial to developing effective regulation. Now, let's hear about the health impacts of the poor management. Impurely managed industrial wastewater can lead to severe the health issues for communities, including waterborne diseases and long-term exposure effects. Establishing minimum standards is a virtual to ensure the safety of drinking water and overall well-being of the populations. This is about the health impacts for the poor management. Next, environmental consequence. The ecosystem suffers the significantly for untreated industrial wastewater. It can lead to biodiversity losses and habitat destructurization and the contaminations of soil and the water bodies. Implementing strengthening and standard can help mitigate these adverse effects and the promote sustainable practices. These are some of the consequences of the environmental. It can be led to biodiversity loss and the contaminations of the soil and water bodies, and it is also impacting the sustainability practices. These are some environmental consequence. And now let's see about the economic consideration. Well, establishing the minimum standardized many require initially investment and the long term, and some of the economical consequences or economic benefits outweigh and costs, and clean water managements can lead to saving in healthcare, improved public images for industrial and enhanced sustainability in the operations. Next, regularities frameworks. Here, some of the regularities and the framework is a to effective managed industrial wastewater. A robot regulator framework is necessary, and this includes defining permissible limits and monitoring compliance and the, enforcing the penalties for the volatilization. A clear framework will help industrial understanding their responsibility and they promote accountability. These are some regulatory frameworks. And some of the best practices in the wastewater management. Let's see. Industrial can adopt the best practices from the wastewater management, such as the treatment of the technologies and recycling and reducing the wastewater at the sources and the sharing successfully case studies and while encouraging others to follow suit and contribute to collective effect towards the environmental protection. Here some of the best practices in wastewater management is treatment technology and its collective of effect towards the environmental protection. Next, let's see about the conclusions and call to the actions. And in conclusion, and establishing the minimum natural environmental standards from industrial wastewater management is the cure for protecting health and the environmental. It requires the collaboration manage among industrial governments and the communities. Together, we can create the sustainability further by taking the discuss and actions now. This is some about the conclusions and call to be the action. Thank you.